In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eBay desktop shipping policy. To get started, open eBay on your desktop browser and make sure you're on the main eBay homepage. From there, go to the top area of the page and click on your account name. This will open the menu where you can access your account options. Next, click on Account Settings so you can move into the area where eBay stores your selling preferences and policy tools. Once you're in Account Settings, look for Business Policies and click it. This section is where eBay lets sellers create saved policies that can be reused across listings, which is especially helpful if you want to save time and keep your shipping setup consistent. On the Business Policies page, click Create Policy and then choose Shipping. Now you'll be taken to the Shipping Policy Creation page. Start by typing in a policy name. Choose a name that clearly tells you what the policy is for, so it's easy to recognize later when you're creating listings. After that, add a description. This part helps you remember the purpose of the policy, especially if you plan to create multiple shipping setups for different item types. Next, choose a shipping method. After selecting that, choose the domestic shipping type that best matches how you want to send items within your country. Then, if you want to offer shipping to buyers in other countries, turn on international shipping. If you also want to give nearby buyers the option to collect items in person, turn on local pickup. After that, take a moment to edit your preferences. This is a good time to review the details carefully and make sure everything matches how you want your listings to function. Small adjustments here can help avoid confusion later. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your new eBay desktop shipping policy will now be ready to use in your listings, making future item setup much faster and more organized.